Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Please avoid the background, thank you so much. Anyways, today I will be going to the mall, and this is like my very first time of going to the mall ever since I came to Baguio. Don't ask me how I cook, because I order things online or someone just gets them for me, and yeah. So I'll be going to the mall today, and I really don't know what malls in Baguio look like. So this is going to be like my first time, and I'll be taking you guys along.
Laptop and photo. Another man put hand for head in the thing. Waiting all of them to find.
I don't need a straw, Sarah. I actually been drinking from the can. Switch people don't drink from the can. Oh, you have straw? Where is it? My hairstylist is still here pressing phone. Lack of professionalism. Lack of professionalism. She said I should come here 11:12. Fine. I came here around what's the time? I think around few minutes past 11, and then this is 1:26 p.m. We're yet to even divide the hair. Look at her there, bending down to press phone. We'll sleep here. I have a time. I've eaten food, enough food, so I have a time.
2,000 years later.
Okay, that means first we'll be talking about the Hey guys, I just came to check up on you all. How are you guys doing? So yeah, just to check up on you guys. That's it. How you guys doing? So I hope you're enjoying the vlog. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, also drop a comment as well, and share this video to your loved ones. So let's go back to the vlog. So guys, finally got a washing machine, because washing these days is quite stressful. I actually have to remove this thing. the washing side, and then this side for spinning. So yeah, it's 8.5 kg capacity. Hey guys, I'm not feeling this shades. I'm not just as a shade. I'm not feeling it. I don't know why. I didn't know that it's going to be black because from the picture it was showing like light brown. Anyways, now I can see properly. Hey guys, so basically those things you saw me unboxing were items I ordered from China. There's like the red gown, I saw it on Instagram, on one page like that on Instagram. I'll try and set the picture of the red cloth, like the picture I saw on Instagram. And I love the clothes, but the only difference is that the person that wore that clothes has hips and shape, and you know, the person carry package more than me, so that's like the only difference, but everything is the same. Anyways, yeah, and it didn't take a long time. I think 5 to 7 days. I can't even remember when I ordered it, but it did not take a long time actually. So yeah, and also this two-piece, like I have always wanted two-piece for like a very long time. So I saw this one on Shein. Like, it's been a long time I ordered something from Shein. It's because of this China thing. Ever since I came across ordering from China, if I'm seeing any clothes that I like on Shein, I will just basically screenshot it and then, you know, check that China app. Like someone will do it for me, not like I'm the one. And then when we check like two Chinese apps that actually does it, like sells clothes and stuff like that. If we see it there, then we buy it. If I don't see the head, that's when I'll go to Shein. But most of the time, I'm always seeing it. Anyways, it's like I've talked too much. So we've come to the end of today's video. The way I'm seeing it is like, it's like these clothes. I'll wait for the occasion that I have on Saturday. I'll just basically wash it and iron it, like dry it and iron it, and yeah. Anyways, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye guys.